channel. I don't even know what I'm filming right now, but if you saw the last video on my channel, or if you saw the title of this video, you would know that I'm moving out and there's gonna be a squad house. It is the 22nd of March, and on my break at work today, Rachel called me to let me know that we got approved for like our dream house. I had completely lost hope for this house altogether. Rachel had a really strong feeling about the house, but I had no feelings about it at all. Like, it was so nice that I thought there was no way that we were gonna get it, but we got it. Oh my god. I could cry. I'm so happy right now. You know when you're so excited about something you just can't stop smiling all night? That's what I was doing at work while I was like cleaning the shop. I was just smiling the whole time. So here is the clip of Rachel telling me on the phone, and also the clips of me telling my little brother and my parents.
Georgia is on her break right now, and I just messaged her and I was like, hey Georgia, are you on your break? I need to talk to you about something quickly. And she was like, yeah, I am. And I was like, can I call you? And she's like, yeah, of course. I'm so excited to tell her. She's at work, but I don't want to wait till after she finishes. Like, I have to tell her right now. Hey Georgia.
Hi.
I just got some really bad news.
Yeah?
We just got approved for the house.
We did not.
The house. The house. And guess what?
What?
We get the keys tomorrow.
Oh, Rachel, oh my god.
I had to call you and tell you. By the way, I'm filming this so we can both have this in our vlog. So you can have this footage as well. Have vlog.
Oh my goodness, no way.
Yes, way.
Oh my god.
I know.
You had a good feeling about that one.
I told you I had a good feeling about that one.
Oh my goodness, I haven't packed a thing. Oh my god.
Like, we're gonna literally have like a driveway, and
That is the dream house, Rachel. That is the best house.
I know. How crazy. What a crazy life we live. God is good all the time.
And all the time, that is good.
Oh yeah.
I have some news. Can you guess?
You got a house.
We got approved. I have some news.
Do you?
Can you guess?
You have somewhere to live.
We have somewhere to live.
Is it where you want though?
Don't look so happy.
Georgia, we all miss you.
So now I had a coffee at like 9 p.m. This grandma is packing up some of her room. Woo! The first thing we're deciding to pack is the bookshelf. I'm really sad. I love this floating shelf so much, but we're renting, so we can't screw things into the wall. Wow, R.I.P. Oh my gosh, Hector, you can have a new home. Hector. Hey! We have some stuff here, and I'll just put it... Stop! We're putting my shoes in a bag, and then I think I'm gonna start on this and taking down my photos. Throwing these ones out because they've been there for so long, and then popping these in a little box with these ones as well. Okay, wow, this is gonna be a mess. Alrighty, so this is the situation. This is bare. My desk, everything that like I can pack has been packed. This pile of stuff I'm not taking with me, so I need to put that in a box and let mum go through that. We just have this stuff which needs to go in a box, but we've run out of boxes at the moment, so that has to be another time. All of my shoes are gone.
Except the shoes that
Except-
she just showed you.
They're my thongs, work shoes, Connie's, and my runners for me to wear in the next like week. So all that's really left is my clothes and these like delicate things that I can't put in a box yet. But my brother Bryce moved out not too long ago, and he has lots of moving boxes. I'm gonna go to his house tomorrow. Thanks for your help. Woo! I'm gonna attack this photo wall now. Another time lapse. Woo! Good morning. It is Friday morning and it's currently 6:20, and I just asked my brother if I could call him and he's awake, and he said yes. So I'm gonna call him and tell him that we got approved for our house and ask to use his moving boxes.
Hello?
Hello. I have a favor to ask. I'm gonna need some moving boxes
Yeah.
because we got approved.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. It is 6:30 p.m. and I had work this afternoon, and this morning I just did like online training for my job, so nothing interesting at all. We've been back and forth with the real estate agent all day basically, and all day yesterday as well, about when we can get the keys, when our money will be transferred to our account, and then we have to sort out like electricity and like gas and internet and stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes at the moment, but all that's really left to pack is my clothes really, so I'm not too stressed about packing it all. This has nothing to do with me moving, but I at work today, my favorite regular customers came in and gave me an Easter present. This is the same couple that gave me that Christmas present in one of my Vlogmas vlogs. This bunny is like hard. Like I don't know what material it's called, but like it's wrapped in cellophane, it's got a pink bow, and then there's some eggs in here, and this is just the cutest thing ever. I love Easter so much. I love chocolate, I love bunnies, I love everything about Easter, and I love Jesus. I love this so much. Wow, I love my customers. I'm going to have dinner with my family, and then after that I'm going to Kmart with Rachel. You can get a little thing for your toothbrush. Yeah.
I need a eraser.
Here you go.
Yeah, going straight in
Not my basket. No, I can't. Not even close. I'm gonna die when you watch this.
I'm holding it down though.
Quick little haul. We went to Target and I just found that they had the nicest towels and they were $12. Like I just am really impressed with these. I got a light grey and a baby pink because that is my bathroom theme. I have a bunch of boxes on my bed that I went and got from Bryce today that tonight I was gonna fill with all of my hoodies and my jumpers and my cardigans and stuff that it's obviously too hot to wear, and all my pajamas and stuff. I was gonna pack them because I'm not gonna wear them in the next week, but I'm honestly so tired. I've had like 4 hours sleep and I'm very tired, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll chat to you tomorrow.
Hello.
Hello.
We got coffee and we're on our way to Ikea for no reason.
We were gonna go to Ikea today to buy a bed, but I've decided against it, so we're just gonna go for lols, have a geese. I want to look at their bedside tables. I might leave with one, and I want to look at fake plants. Are you excited? Yes. Are you gonna get anything?
I don't know. You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
It's Ikea. You never know what's gonna happen. We're here.
Whoop, 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 whoop. You can't trust indicators.
You can't trust anyone.
Skirt. I'm hungry.
Angry.
Yeah, I'm angry actually. I haven't had breakfast. This is my breakfast. And it's 11:30. Excuse me, get up. We also need a dining room table for the house, but like, I think this is gonna be a later payment, a later issue. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this little guy. We're going into the bed section and I'm very excited. I'm not buying a bed, but I need bedroom inspo right now. I also love these so much, the lights around the mirror. Come get in the mirror for the thumbnail. Thanks. Tall people problems, can't relate. So we're just looking at the bedside tables and I actually just don't like any of them really. Oh, I'm so excited to decorate my bathroom. It's so cool. Imagine having all of my socks in this. Love this bed though. I love the leaves hanging from the wooden bit. It actually looks so cool. Look at this tree. What do you guys think of these? Oh, never mind, just kidding. I don't want your opinion because they're $170. This bed is cute. Blue and pink. I would never have thought like to put them together, but it's cute.
That's really cool.
That is cool. Look at this crazy plant. Just a warning that my kids are definitely gonna have this set up. It's actually awesome. We're going into the kitchen section and then at the end, plants. Yes, 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 yes. The first thing going in our trolley. I feel like I'm not gonna buy kitchen stuff until we're actually moved in and I know what we need, because we all have like a bunch of different stuff. But like fake plants, right now. Imagine if we got a pink little stool for our kitchen and just put it in the pantry. That'd be so cute. I want this. I just want everything right now. $1.30. Going in my basket. I'll take one over you. You would. That is such a you plant. I really like this, but I don't know where to put it.
You'll figure it out. There's plenty of space.
We also found this pot and my bathroom theme is pink. I want this pot for my bathroom, but I don't know what flower to put in it. There's a pink one here, but I don't know if that's too much pink. If these were more white, I'm so confused, but I want this pot. I don't know. This is just a quick overview of what we got, but I'm going to film a whole homewares haul about everything I get for my house, so stay tuned for that. That was just a quick overview of what we got. I'm really happy with it. I love all of my plants. Ikea is done. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling sad that I don't have a house to put it in yet. I feel like I haven't explained anything properly yet, so hey, hi, hello, I'm gonna explain some things for you. So on Thursday night, we got told we got the house, we got approved, and the real estate lady said that we could get the keys tomorrow afternoon, on Friday afternoon. So we were just like, oh my gosh. And so we rearranged our schedules so that we could pick the keys up on Friday afternoon, but then she told us that they have to view our payment of the bond before we can get the keys, which is fair enough. The payment system that they asked us to pay through takes a few days. We're keeping our fingers crossed that the money goes through by Monday, and so hopefully we can get the keys by Monday, Tuesday at the latest. But we also have to set up our electricity and our water before we move in. Yeah, that's the deal. We don't have the keys to the house yet. I feel like this weekend is going to be the longest weekend of my life. We're going to be moving into the squad house next week. I literally literally tears just started in my eyes because I am so happy that we have finally found a house, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it as well. Oh my goodness, squad house is a go. I feel like this vlog has been kind of a mess so far because I don't even know what's going on. I don't know when you're gonna be seeing this, but that's fine. It's fine. We have a house. Everything is fine. Oh my goodness. God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. We have a house. It is Sunday morning now, and I've decided that I'm going to take today off vlogging. I'm not doing anything exciting at all. So this is going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are so excited about these moving vlogs because I'm so keen. I'll see you in my next video really soon. Bye!